Hey guys, and welcome. So in today's class I'm going to show you guys what we have on our platform. All right, so we have a total of 41 applications. 20 of them are video related, 12 are image related, 3 are audio related. Then we have 6 utilities which use a bit of this and that. Okay, so let's start with the video. With the video, I have this editor which is supposed to, when it's done, it will work just like Premiere Pro, where you can bring in footage from outside and generate b-roll within the application, different type of b-roll. We have Kling 2.6. We have Kling 01 Studio. Now Kling 2.6 will generate videos for you. You can put multiple videos at the same time, one after another, then you'll be able to generate them within Kling. Okay, Kling 01 Studio is a mix. You have text to video. All right, text to video, then you generate a video. You have image to video, like a reference image, then you generate video from there. You have edit. Edit is pretty much, imagine being able to work like you would Nano Banana, but for video. You can change the car in the video, you can change what the person is wearing in the video, you can change what the person looks like and swap the person all together in a video. All right, that's video to video. You add your video right here, you add your instructions, you put extra elements of video, like, oh, have this person hold this knife, have this person hold this gun, have this person wear this jacket. All right, all those things are part of what this does. And if you do batch, it means you can add multiple videos. All right, now continue is your start and end frame. You start on one frame, you end on another frame. That's that. Okay, that's what Kling 01 Studio does. And you have the bulk option as well. This bulk option enables you to add multiple videos and multiple references as well. You can add one reference for multiple videos, or I'll be showing you guys how each and every single application works one after another, but we just have so many that it's gonna take a little while. When you turn off bulk, that option disappears, but if you put on bulk, go to bulk, upload multiple videos and edit them with AI using prompt and references. So you can add multiple videos, and each time one person shows up, that person gets replaced with a specific image. Or the car, each time the car shows up, the car gets replaced with a different image, but across multiple shots. Alright, that's Kling 01 Studio. We also have Aurora Avatar. Aurora Avatar is a spot where you add your image, then you can also generate using AI. You can generate a character, then add a character DNA to change the face of that character. That way you use the face that you usually use all the time, but except it's not the character you just imported. You just generated a regular character, then you slap a face on that character. That way the character remains consistent, not based on any character whatsoever. You just generate a character, then add a face on top of that character, then use that character as your avatar. Now if you scroll down, you have scene composition. Scene composition is you generate a character, but the background is whatever. You can add a new background or a new character or a style to update that one character. Audio, you can either upload your audio so that your character can speak what they're gonna say, or you can generate your audio using AI within the same application. Okay, you can generate using Chatterbox. And of course you can do 720 or 480, but we also have a enhancer that you can enhance to 4K if you want to. Alright, that's Aurora Avatar. Film Studio, this is a way to import a script. So you can import or browse a script, then you create a movie at the end. This is a whole workflow that I created sometime in December. I mean, I've created it over time, but December is when I finished creating this. But I'll show you how to use this in a few. Hopefully this month I'll be able to show you. But otherwise, you can just go through it and just guess. Really, it's it's a workflow. It's a step by step by step. Just use it. You figure it out. It's easy. That's Film Studio. Ad Creator. If you click on Ad Creator, application that creates multiple ads, one ad after another, like all pre-edited ads that are 15 seconds. Then you can also use this to create action sequences, social media content, businesses that want to create TV ads, or you want to create a random scene or a random sequence. This is what you do. Or ad for pastries, ad for hair, ad for clothing. This is what you use, Ad Creator. Now, at the bottom here, we have multiple models. We have Sora 2. We have the asset library, which is pretty much all your assets. We have Clip Studio. Clip Studio is a spot where you put in your clip. You browse for your clip, put in there, and it analyzes and figures out the most viral element of your video and gives you a score. Once you're happy with that, you just export it. Then you can post it on your socials. Animate Replace, it's like replacing a character. Clean Motion Control is motion capture, replacing a character altogether using clean motion control. Pretty much motion capture, but AI motion capture, where you replace one character. You transfer dance moves from one character to another. You've seen those dancing dogs and dancing babies. They use clean motion control. So you can use that yourself if you want to. And of course, we have Dream, where you can actually generate characters or generate whatever it is that you want to generate and use that. Okay. That's a motion control. Model avatar is another avatar, like a talking head type of situation. Vision enhancer, it's pretty much enhancing your footage. This one doesn't go up to 4K, it goes up to 1080p. It's a cheaper version compared to Topaz. You put in your image, you upload your image, you upload your video, you prompt, and what to avoid, blurry stuff, and the usual. And it gives you a seed as well, depending on how what you create. That's that vision enhancer. 2.6 is image to video, where you upload your image, you create a video. It's just a different video model. Dance, that's another video model that you can use to create videos. It's just like VO3 type of situation. Some 3D is segmentation. So if you want to do like rotoscoping things or rotoscoping people across the video, that's what that does. So what some 3 does. 2.2 animate is motion capture as well. It works a little different from clean motion capture. It's different. It's different. It works a little different. And we have VO 3.1, which is the most up to date. You generate video with this. Then you have Topaz, which is video upscaler, AI enhancement. You can generate up to 4K using Topaz. Upscale up to 4K if you want, up to 8K if you want. And you can increase your frame rate to 60 to 120 FPS. You can just up-res your video. That's what Topaz does. I'm gonna move back to that tab. So that's that. Clean Effects is pretty much a bunch of templates that we can use, that you can use to create like a little Christmas stuff or Valentine stuff. You got festival, you got little fashion driven effects for fashion, like change from one dress to the other in a stylistic way. You can try all these. We'll try them as we go, as time goes by. We'll continue trying them one by one, but it's a lot. I added a lot of applications earlier because I felt like, you know, it's good to have as much, then we can mix and match it to create one brand new workflow. That's Cling Effects. Then you have LTX2. This one just came out. It's a 19 billion model where you can create video. Now, if you like LTX, you can just favorite it. Then it goes up here. If you grab this, you can reposition if you want it. Okay, but I'm gonna take it off my favorites for now. That's that. Image models. We have Short Lab. Short Lab is like these other tools. This was one of my first tools that I ever created. I was just trying to, you know, see what I can create and all that good stuff. It ended up being good because I can string out multiple images, like 20 images, and create a image sequence, like a never-ending long shot, by stringing your you know, your images. That's that. ICVFX is a situation to create layers. So you generate a video, then you segment that video to generate layers that make that like a Photoshop image. You generate layers for that Photoshop. That's what ICVFX does, and I will use that for Unreal Engine virtual production. Scene compositor is the ability to compose multiple scenes to create one scene. So you can add background, style, props, and characters to create one scene. Then you can open that scene in editor, or you can turn it into video if you want to. Okay, that's that. Nano Banana editing application. Nano Banana, you just go in and edit whatever you want. You can edit all the characters. You have some styles here that will give you aesthetics and stuff like that. You can put in your characters, generate different angles like this from one image. You'll be able to generate different angles, and these are angles with consistent characters and consistent elements. Like for example, you see how there's 3 cars in this garage, and the high shot, there's 3 cars. It just stays consistent, and everything stays consistent like this. So that's what Nano Banana Editor does. I use it as an editor. Then you've got Scene Compositor, so that you can put this into Scene Compositor and add more jewelry, update the jewelry, update the clothing and stuff like that. That's what Nano Banana AI Editor does. Magnific is a precision upscaler. You just upscaling, and it gives you the natural skin, and you know, it's really good. Magnific is good. It gives you upscale. It's another Topaz thing. It enhances your skin. It gives you that extra layer of realism. Okay, Magnific is good. You should try it. It's by Topaz, I believe. I believe it's by Topaz. Enhancing skin to remove that AI look is really good. Where's Magnific? Dream is an image model, just like it's an image model like Dance and One Image. All these are image models. Okay, Dream is an image model. Quen Image Editor is just like Nano Banana, but it's a Chinese version of that. You can have camera angles. You can rotate images, then generate. You can. It's pretty cool. Once you have an image, you can prompt an image. Once you actually, you know what we need to do? We need to add the ability to import and the ability to edit the image in Nano Banana, or import it or whatever. But anyway, you can prompt the image, then change camera angles to 280. You can just change camera angles, mainly camera angles, and adding all these extra bells and whistles. So Sum 2 is just like Sum 3. Sum 3 is for video. Sum 2 is for images. So it's another segmenting a video LLM. So you can get this video segmented and have the dog separate from the background. That way you can reposition, move it or whatever, scale it or whatever, that's in the background. So that's what some 2 does. Some 3 does video, some 2 does image. GPT image 1.5 is an image model, and it has a little bit of a nano banana-esque, but not as accurate and not as on point. So it's still behind nano banana, but it wants to compete with nano banana, but just behind a little bit. 2.6 image editor. It's you can create image and edit what the image looks like, and pretty much like an image model. Okay, that's what that does. Z depth is pretty much Z depth. So this has a lot of work when it comes to virtual production, VR world, and video compositing and VFX. Z depth, you can use the Z depth to determine how further fog should go into the background and how much you should come close to the camera type of situation. You have mode. It's a VFX feature that makes VFX good and easy, but we'll use it on our platform eventually. With time, we will figure out the right way to use it. I'm still working on that part of situation. Crane Image is another image generation platform that can generate different aspect ratio. Then we also have like presets to do your thing and just generate whatever it is that you need to generate. Image generation. Now let's go to audio. We have Chatterbox. Chatterbox is like 11 Labs, but cheaper, and it's easier and less guardrails. So Chatterbox create voiceovers and stuff like that. All right. LipSync Pro, it's a situation where you add your audio file, then you add your video, then you lip sync that audio to that video. It can be a good tool for talking heads, and it can be a good tool for conversational scene, like dinner table. At the dinner table, having a conversation there, you can add those with moves. The person can have like body movements, but that audio will tie in straight into the lips and will lip sync while having custom body movements. That's that. Music separator is you add one song, then it's gonna separate the song. Let me just write this down. Music separator is a feature where you can add a song, then you separate the drums from the snares, from everything else, and from the vocals. That way you have all the layers. Okay. Utilities, these are the creating a commercial is a utility to create TV commercials. Edit Ripper is a thing where you add in an edit, then the system goes in and rips that edit into individual shots. That way you can recreate that TV commercial without reshooting, but you can change the angles and stuff like that. So that's what Edit Reaper does. Social content is a situation where you can create content for social media and all that good stuff. Asset library, of course, just a thing for your assets. Script generator, you create a script. You can just go in here, select the duration, 15 seconds, then you generate a script for your TV commercial. Then that will be a script that you can copy and paste into your commercial. Last but not least, Popcorn Studio. This is a Popcorn Studio is a pretty much a Higgsfield API that I was trying out a while ago, but I figured to create my own. That's when I created the Nano Banana consistent character situation, because this was too limiting, it was too basic for me. So I ended up creating my own. So we